Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. So we're going to draw the tree branches using black marker. After this, we're going to roll this fruit form net, put the green color and tap it on the paper. We are drawing the crown of the tree. You can change the color as well, like we are also using yellow. Draw the birds and it's ready. So we are going to draw these bamboos with easy method. As you can see, we're going to put the green color and then we're going to dab it using finger. Similarly, you can also make the leaves as well, and look, your drawing is ready. So we're going to put the paint on the top of the paper and spread it using this scale. We are drawing colorful cats here. We are making the eyes by pressing white and black clay. Now we're going to draw the face using markers. Similarly, you can add more details, and look, your drawing is ready. So we're going to make colorful feather. As you can see, draw this line and use different colors. Spread the color using earbud, and look, your feather is ready. So draw the stick using black marker. After this, we are going to use earbuds and make dots like this. Draw the grass and it's ready. So we are going to make this fruit today. Take this sponge stick and make the fruits by pressing it. Now we are going to draw the leaves and stick. This is a very easy and simple way. We are using fresh leaves for leaves and it's done. Let's draw wheat stalks. So we're going to draw the grass and sticks using markers. After this, use your finger, dab it on the color and stamp it on the paper. Look, it is ready. So we're going to paste the stick and then spread the clay. Your ice creams are ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.